Don't push the button. A Christmas adventure. Written and illustrated by Cotter.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You know Larry's rule. Don't push the button.
This button?
Santa's on his way. You don't want to end up on the naughty list, do you? Gosh, it sure is pretty though. Psst, I don't think any elves are watching. Maybe give the button one teensy push. Beep. Golly, you turned me green! Like Christmas tree! Push it again!
Oh no, we better push it again.
Now I really look like a Christmas tree. Okay, that's enough. Push the button 2 times to make me purple again. Okay. 1, 2. Yikes! I look like a candy cane. Push the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hey, watch it, buddy. Quick, shake the book to get rid of these elves. Shake the book. Shake, 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 shake. Oh no, all that shaking made it snow. Try pushing the button super hard. Alright, pushing it super hard. That was super hard. Hey you, that's my nose. Oh no, I accidentally pushed Rudolph's nose. I can see Santa coming. Quick, clap your hands to get me back to normal. See if I got him back to normal. Oh, Larry, I'm so glad I found you. I need you and your friend to help start my sleigh. Can you help me start Santa's sleigh? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Push! Good job. The end. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!